where it's at right now and what's going to be hopefully here real soon. So I got the cams, the Stage Comp 3 cams. I got the Cobra Jet put on, which you guys are going to see in the video. You're going to hear it. The car is running now. It was running before. I had a problem with the phasers, and it wouldn't let the car read the intake cams. So now that it's fixed, we're going to be going to the dyno again, and hopefully I can get a dyno tuned and get the car to where I can race it again. I went through a lot of headaches with this build. It almost got to be where it wasn't worth it. There for a second, we didn't know what was wrong with the car. We put the cams in, the intake cams weren't reading. So we went to get new phasers, new solenoids. We replaced those and put it back together, and the car is working great now. So it was a lot of, I put everything else brand new besides the phasers and the solenoids, and now it's fixed and running. So this is good news, and I hope it gets tuned. I went to the dyno, and I had it on the dyno for maybe 10 minutes, the guy said. It started to make a pull, and it shut down on itself, and it made 440 at the wheels then with no intake cam barely reading at all. So it was only on one side reading. So now when it gets both sides, I'm hoping to see, over 460. I'm hoping really to see 480, but 460, 465 is, I'll live with it, I guess. But this setup is a P-Mass intake, cold air. It has the 69mm throttle body from VMP, Cobra Jet. It has cams from Comp Stage 3 with limiters. Most guys are saying 500. I don't think I'll see 500 because I'm just one of those guys that never gets that lucky. But anything, like I said, over 465, I'm happy. If you guys would, leave a comment down below what you guys think it's going to make. It'd be great to hear what you guys think. And I'll be posting it as soon as it gets on the dyno, and I think it's going to hopefully be next week. Besides that, for this car, the next stage on this car is going to be putting nitrous on it. I'm going to do a 150 shot and see how it runs with that. I'm hoping to get low 10s. I'm hoping right now I'm in mid 11s. We're going to find out. The fastest this car's ever went before was 11.8s, and that was in the wintertime. Right now it's running like high 12.1s, 12.2s, and I'm really wanting to see, low 10s with nitrous. So we'll find out. I'm going to do strange brakes on it, front and rear. I'm going to do a drive shaft and get some weight off it. But it's coming along pretty good for this car. I mean, it's only been a year, and this car's, pretty far along. Imagine where it would have been with the 18. I don't know. It probably would have been twin turbo or a blower on it. So I'm happy with this car. I'm not disappointed in it. Last week though was a pain. I mean, having to take it back apart, it was a pain. Even though I didn't do the work, there was a guy here in town that did all the work for me. Great guy. He does really good work. I really appreciate him coming through and doing it again twice. He had to do the work twice, and it wasn't even his fault. It was my phasers were bad. But I guess that's what happens when you're building a car. But anybody that does put cams in their car, I would always suggest, if it's an older car like mine, if you're doing a Gen 1, replace the phasers because they do go bad. That's something you should always do, put the phasers in. But as you can hear, my dog's barking, so I gotta get back inside. Just want to leave this here with you guys today. Give a guess what you guys think it's gonna make. It's gonna be on a Dynojet, and it's gonna be high DA. So if the DA matters, I really don't know because they run a bunch of fans on it, but it's probably gonna be over 5,000 feet. Right now it's like 5,500 feet, 6,000 feet. So leave a comment down below what you guys think it's gonna make. We'll see what it does. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna have some videos for you guys to watch of the car in the process of getting built. I'll have some pictures, videos, and a sound of what it sounds like today. So catch you guys later in the next one.
quarter mile.